Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Style with Izzy. I'm Izzy and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the organic makeup line Hollywood Hippie. Hollywood Hippie is a brand based out of Houston. It was started by a young lady named Brandy Cipher. Brandy Cipher is actually a well-known Hollywood makeup artist, and in her experience she always struggled with finding makeup that was not only cruelty free but also organic and healthy for our skin. So she started her own line. She launched in Houston and she is the CEO, she's the makeup artist, and she is also modeling her own makeup line. If you want to know a little bit more about Brandy, follow her on Hollywood Hippie, her Instagram. I will also put that on the bottom of this video. But you can also actually catch her at the Thinking Boutique in Houston, Texas. Her brand is actually there, so if you want to get your hands on it and you're not into online shopping, that's the spot to go to. And who knows, you might even catch Brandy there and this girl is fantastic. I actually met her in person and she will be happy to give you a one-on-one makeup lesson. I've been lucky enough to actually sit with her and she's actually made me up before. The first thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is the Hollywood Hippie foundation. So I've been on a hunt for a new foundation for a while now, and what I look for in a foundation is one foundation that I can use for full coverage and for a little bit less coverage, and this is giving me what I need. This is the Cork Organic Foundation. Super creamy, super moisturizing, does whatever you need it to do, and the best part, it's organic and it's good for you. I highly recommend it. I'm wearing it right now. The next thing I have here for you guys is the lipstick, and I'm actually super excited to talk about this product because the first thing that stood out for me in this about this lipstick is the shape of the lipstick. So I don't know about you guys, but I am not a makeup expert at all. So I always struggle with the shape of my lip. My lips they're nice, but they're not perfectly shaped. So I've always struggled with a lip liner. That's not my thing. And the thing about her lip, the way it's shaped, I kid you not, it went very pretty. It created that pretty shape that I always look for, and I'm literally was super excited about that because I used Bobbi Brown lipsticks, MAC lipsticks. This is the first lipsticks that I actually made putting it on easy for me. This is the Crush It. It is her favorite lipstick shade. She said it goes well on all her clients. She uses it for all skin tones and everything. She's always happy with the product of it, with the end result of it. Crush It. Give it a try. Super velvety. I wore it this weekend. It worked well. I'm wearing it today and I am in love with it. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is the Dew Drops. So it's basically like a highlight, I believe, but it's mostly it's to give you a little glow. I love highlights. I feel like if you do it the right way, it can make your face look a little bit refreshed and a little bit more youthful. So I tried hers and so far I'm loving it. I'm trying to cut back a little bit on how much highlight I put on my face. So a little dew, it's better than me using the brush because I can get a little bit carried away with it. So far so good. It lasts a long time. I wore it this Saturday and it worked well the whole day. So I highly recommend that you can actually mix it with her foundation for a little bit more dewy all over the face. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is her eyeshadows. I actually love her eyeshadows. Right here I have the Smoke Olive one and I'm actually wearing it. And I also wore this Saturday. So I know all day it stayed fresh and tinted the whole day and I love it. So I'm not the best with blending out eyeshadow. So it's important that whatever eyeshadow I'm using, it's easy for me to use. And this was very, very comfortable for me to use, especially to do a smoky eye, because we all know a smoky eye can go from smoky to a hot mess. So I was able to work with her product very well. The cool thing is that she will give you the choice to put on your own palette if you like. So she has many options for you. So the last product I have in my hand is a lip gloss. So I'm very weird about lip glosses because to me I prefer a little matte, something that's gonna stay in my lips all day without me having to retouch. But if you are out on a date night or something that's like a dinner, something that you're not gonna be drinking, or you don't need something you have the luxury to get up and refresh every couple of minutes, this lip gloss is perfect. It's not sticky. I tried it on Sunday for a little bit and I liked it because I forgot that I had it on. If I can forget I have a lip gloss on, it's a winner. So as you can see, Hollywood Hippie products are super cool, they're super beautiful, and they are worth the money. I highly recommend you check her out, The Hollywood Hippie, on Instagram. I'm also gonna put her handle on the bottom of this video. It's organic, it's cruelty free, and it's run by a woman that has done her research and has a lot of experience in the makeup business. It's the best thing you can do for your skin, is find a product like this. Until next time, this is Izzy with Food and Style with Izzy, and don't forget to subscribe.